everyone, it's Kerry back with you today. So I'm here today to draw the winner of our February giveaway. Now if you're new to our channel, each month we select a video from the previous month and anyone who commented on that video goes in the draw to win a prize, and this month our prize will be a $50 store credit or gift card, if you like, digital gift card, that you can use to purchase anything from our store. So you can pick physical product or you can pick digital items. So we will have one winner today, and I'll just flick over to the YouTube picker. So the video that I have chosen for today is the Pretty Paper Packet Pockets video. So I'm just going to paste the link in here. So we had 40 comments on that video, so let's pick our winner. So our winner is MS Hot Mess 7437. So congratulations. You'll find our email address in the description box below. If you could please send us an email and we will organise to get you that $50 store credit. For everyone else, thank you so much for continuing to comment on our videos. It really does help with the YouTube algorithm. And don't worry if you didn't win, there'll always be another chance again next month. But we really do appreciate your support. So thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time. Bye!